morning, traders. This is Mike with Rip or Die Trading. Day trading AMD live this morning. It fell a bunch in the after hours and pre-market. There's a gap to fill at 24.13 right now, so it's a pretty big gap. Last time it was this low was 3 days ago on the 31st, and it opened up and it dropped to about $22.85 and then rallied in all the way to $25 that day. So we'll have to see what happens. We got $23 as that could be support, and then after that, that 22.85-ish area. Looking at this, I mean, right now it's just kind of chopping in a little channel. Lowest it's gotten is the 23.22 area. If we stay around this area here until open, I'll be looking for a reaction at the 23.50 mark. Let's see. Yeah, SPY's just kind of going sideways. Apple's going sideways. Nvidia's slowly uptrending. SPY's starting to uptrend. We got about 30 seconds to the open. So let's be patient and see what happens here. Five seconds. Probably gonna see a quick dump off. There it goes, dumping off. Let's see what happens up here at this 23.50 area. See if I was willing to play that gambling game, I would have bought once it broke 23.50, but I still didn't get too far above. That's why I was losing a bunch. It didn't give me enough profit, and now it'd be trying to take me out. So I'm waiting for it to cool down a little bit and give me more of a controlled direction. Right now, it might be a good buy if it comes back down to that 23.15 holds. And it did not want to hold there. Nvidia's dumping off hard right now, but SPY's ripping, so no help from those contradicting stocks. Let's see. Yeah. Still a little. If you look at it on the 5-minute, it's got a tiny candle and wicks, giant wicks up and down. I'll show you it. Just pretty much the definition of indecisiveness. So looks like it's trying to build a little bit of support there. Still technically looking weak. Is he gonna get back up there? So I'm gonna be watching it at 23.50 this time on the way down. If it gets up there and can't get through it, I'm probably gonna try to short it. Alright, well, we're through it, so let's see if it can bump up a little bit and find some support there. Nope, can't, not yet. I'm gonna get short here, see what happens. Which was kind of stupid, actually. We're kind of in it, technically in an uptrend here. It's a weak looking uptrend, but I might jump out of here just a second, just count my blessings. Where am I in at? 47. I can risk it, see if it gets above 50. Yeah, I should have done like I said and just gotten out. Dumbass. So what I do wrong there? One, I shorted, look at this, on an uptrend. Stupid. Then I realized it while I was in the green and I stayed in it. I had a chance to get out for a little bit of a profit. And, you know, greed kept me in. Wow. And I was thinking right here, like technically we were in an uptrend and, you know, might have been a good place to enter, but it wasn't off of any key levels, so I'm trying to do my entries based on some key levels. So I got short here when it was stalling, when I technically should have waited for it to, well, in all reality, if I'm going to go off a level, it did give me a pretty good way to get in here, but I was also in an uptrend, so I got to ignore that one. A good spot would be to get long here at 23.50 if we can get down there and bounce. I don't know if we can get that low, though. I don't know. This is a 23.55 is kind of a good. Everything is kind of. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, I should have got in at 23.55. Maybe not. Let's see what's going on here. I looked away for a second, had my 23.50 entry there. Let's give it a go. Oh, don't do that to me now. What do we get in at? 23.51. Let's see 23.71 real quick again. I'm going to get burned twice today. Let's go. We need some buyers. Let's get up there. Quit farting around. This is the shitty part, because right now it's farting around, and you know, see, I'm about to have to get out here. This is the little dip that, you know, those, when it's farting around like that, those little drops can scare you out, and then it'll take off. I didn't get scared out yet. Let's go. Let's get through 22.55. There we go. So I went from almost getting scared out to maybe in a good little move here. We just need this to quit bouncing. We need some strength real quick. We need to see it get through 23.60 real quick, and man, it's really kicking my ass right now. Playing with me. Alright, Nvidia's starting to go up. SPY's going up, so hopefully we can all go in the same direction. Apparently not. Come on, bitch, run. I don't like all these wicks on these candles. All these upper shadows, if you will. There's a lot of people here at 255 trying to hold it down. If we can get through 255, we could get a pretty good little... Oh, we got through it. There we go. Come on. Let's get a new high a day real quick. We want to get through 60 right here, and we should jump a little bit after that. There we go. Let's go see 70 again. There we go. Alright, I locked in half of it, and I'm even for the day, and the rest is just profit. See if we can get through 71 this time. I think I'm gonna get out if we can't hold 60. If we break 70, I'm thinking about putting in a trailing stop. And just letting it run. See what happens here. Probably give it a 15-cent trailing stop if we get through 70. There we go, 15-cent trailing stop. I didn't like my order. Okay. Position. There we go. Sell. 15-cent trailing. Let's just see what happens. see, got up to 78. So we're about to get stopped out. Should be about 62-ish where I get taken out. Alright, I'm out. Oh well, you know. Lucky to go from the red to green, and looking at this chart realistically, since I'd already broke even, I could have just been watching this thing about right here. It could have come all the way down here and bounced. Now it's probably going to go all the way to 2380, but I'm 100% in my hindsight account, so what are you going to do? At this point, you know, this thing could slowly just trend up all day long, but I'd have to see it come off another key level. I'd have to see it come back down here to 2350 and bounce to get back in, or see it hit 24 and form some resistance to get in short. So I think I'm going to call it a day. If you guys like these videos, subscribe to let me know. Like helps me grow the channel. And then if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments, or you can email it mike@ripperdietrading.com. Also, if you're subscribed, if you ding that little bell, it'll let you know when I go live every morning. Alright guys, hope you have a good day, and I will see you tomorrow.